Road. Road. Can you say road? Road. R-O-D. Road. Tree. Tree. This is a tree. Tree. Can you say tree? Tree. T-R-E. Tree. Car. Car. This is a baby sitting on a car. Look. Say car. Car. Sidewalk. Sidewalk. This is the sidewalk. Sidewalk. Look, I am walking on the sidewalk. S-I-D-W-O-K. Sidewalk. Lamppost. Lamppost. This is a lamppost. Can you say lamppost? O-A-M-P-O-S-T. Lamppost. Yes. My baby sister is calling it a dice. But it's not a dice. Fence. Fence. Can you say fence? Fence. F-E-N-C. Fence. F-E-N-C. Fence. Flowers. Flowers. Can you say flowers? Flowers. F-O-W-Z. Flowers. Van. Van. Can you say van? Van. V-A-N. Van. Traffic sign. Traffic sign. T-R-A-F-I-N. Traffic sign. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please subscribe for more videos.